There are many car heater products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best car heaters from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Portable car heater. Rating 4.7. The car heater ensures fast heating and convenient warming. Effectively allows you to defrost or defog quickly so you can get on the road and get to your destination. Better line of sight for winter driving. It gives you a clear view of your driving. Can be heated up quickly in less than a minute with automatic overheating protection. Mechanical arm can be adjusted according to your needs. This car heater is ideal for defrosting/defogging windows and windshields. Multi-level adjustment can meet your different needs, cooling and heating 2-in-1. You can use the mode of fan in the summer and use heat in the winter. Car thermostats are small, plug-and-play devices measuring 5.5 by 4.1 by 2.7 inches with a universal shaft adjustment. They can be installed anywhere in the car without blocking the driver's line of sight. Mechanical arm. This portable car heater is made of ABS and polymer heat-resistant hard plastic with a built-in fuse, automatic power-off protection, and no harm to the car battery or car circuit. Low energy consumption, low noise, easy and fast to use. Number 4. Fast heating car heater. Rating 4.7. Simply take it out of the box and plug it into your 12V car cigarette holder to turn it on and switch between cold and hot. With universal shaft adjustment, the base can be installed with our double-sided adhesive, making it easy and comfortable to use. With adjustable wind mode, the hot/cold air will come out immediately according to your needs. This car heater is not only very suitable for defrosting/defogging car windows and windshields, but also can be used as a cooling fan in summer. This portable in-car heater can quickly clean frost and fog from the windshield, side windows, and rear window, providing a clear view for your driving. The 360-degree rotating base ensures the convenience of use. Made of ABS materials, this 12-volt car heater will not be easily damaged. With a low-ing thick copper cable, it will not get hot during use and will not damage your car battery. Excellent design and high-quality cables, plus 3 times QC to ensure your excellent shopping experience. Number 3. Defogger car heater. Rating 4.7. This efficient car heater delivers warm air in just 60 seconds, quickly defrosting and defogging your windows and windshield. Gain a clear line of sight for safer winter driving. Features automatic overheat protection for safe operation. A versatile all-in-one solution. Provides warmth in winter and functions as a cool air fan in summer. The built-in filter captures dust and pollen particles, improving your cabin's air. Offers multiple fan speed levels. You can easily customize the airflow and temperature to your preference for a personalized comfort experience. Constructed from high-quality ABS and heat-resistant polymer plastic. Equipped with a built-in fuse and automatic power-off protection. It has low energy consumption, low noise, and is safe for your car's battery and circuit. Ideal for cars, SUVs, trucks, and more. Number 2. Blytra Portable Car Heater. Rating 4.7. This Blytra car heater delivers rapid warmth and defrosting capabilities for your vehicle's interior. The portable heater for car design allows easy placement and transfer between vehicles, while also serving as a reliable windshield defroster to clear fog and ice for improved visibility. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic and equipped with sturdy pure copper cables, this car heater for vehicles is built to withstand daily use and harsh conditions. It functions effectively as a heater for car applications, offering robust wear resistance and high temperature tolerance for long-lasting reliability. Operating this heater is straightforward. Simply plug it into your vehicle's 12V outlet and switch it on for instant warmth. The portable car heaters for vehicle comes with a self-adhesive pad for secure mounting on any clean, dry surface, ensuring it stays in place during travel. As a portable car heater unit. Number 1. Car heaters for vehicles. Rating 4.7. Car defroster windshield heater. Drive safely within moments. Stop the frustrating and time-consuming scraping. Portable heater for car. Powerful heating element. T and wide airflow design deliver concentrated heat to melt frost and clear fog from your windshield rapidly. Get a clear view and safer driving conditions much faster than idling your engine and waiting for Yoplugin and car heater to warm up. The car portable heater with 360 degrees adjustable vent lets you direct a powerful stream of warmth directly onto your hands, face, or body. 12-volt heater for a car. Instantly create your own personal comfort zone, feeling warmer and more comfortable from the moment you start your drive. In winter, it's your rapid car window defroster and car space heater. In summer, the portable car heater and defroster simply switch to the fan mode to circulate cool air and keep the cabin feeling fresh without wasting engine power or fuel. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.